Hi, my name is David Miller. I'm the owner of MAINFrame Customs, and we specialize in custom sleeved cables. I'm feeding it. Generally in small form factor PCs, you may want to use 18 gauge just because it's more flexible. It has this really nice new screen built into it, which you can monitor your PC stats. I've always been an avid PC gamer, but I was never into the custom element of PCs, so to speak. And it wasn't until I saw my friend, he built his first custom computer. This is actually pretty fun. And that's how I continued with it and got to where I am now.